Hello guys. Hello guys. So we are welcome back to our DAX Playbook class. And today's class, in our last class, we learned how to use count function. Yes, so we learned how to use count function, but we have different ways of using count function. So we have a way of counting all our rows, and we have a way of counting what our non-empty rows. So in our last class, we learned how to use count rows. In today's class, we are going to be learning the functions we use in not counting non-empty rows. So this is the data we are going to be using today. Let me come to our table view so you can see it. You can see it. We have 21 rows, but two columns are empty. Two columns, sorry, two rows are empty. Two rows are empty. Now what we want to do is that we want to count the number of what non-empty rows we have. If I just look at this place, I see what I have 21 rows. But in between it, I have what some rows that are empty. So how do you go about this? How do we do this? So that's what we want to learn to this class. So it's as simple as what we've used before. It's just for us to know what and understand the functions, the function we use for search, and the function is called what? Count A. So we as usual have told us whenever I want to use an aggregate function, it's best to use what with measures. Exactly. So now the function name is what okay. We are going to name it non-empty rows. Let's see now number of non-empty rows. So you say equal to count A. No, this ordinary count. Don't forget. So we use count A like this. Then you can select any column you want to use. So let me use departments. I want to use departments. I will close the bracket and I say enter like this. Now if I come here, now what this card view, this is a card. So it's one of the visualization I choose to use. So if I click on this number of non-empty rows, see automatically I'm having 19 instead of what 21 instead of 21. So this is how to use count A. We use it to count what number of non-empty rows what in our data or in a particular column. And don't forget, there might be sometimes that what it will be these particular rows that will be empty, right? So these ones, other ones might have what information. So it just depend on what on the particular column we are making use of exactly. And in some, a whole row like this can be empty, just like we have in this data. So I hope this is clear to every one of us. So this is how to count what number of non-empty rows. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment, and share for others to learn. So we meet in our next class on Friday. But do have a nice day. Bye.